Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Friday, May 4th, 2001, 8 am. Be wary of any judgment. Be vigilant on this point. Reacting like this is spontaneous among most humans. Do you see perfection in yourselves? If so, you are high level sages. It would rather seem, after thorough analysis, that your sense of critical judgment is constantly on the alert and really to be used at the slightest little thing related to others. Try to refocus on yourselves this sustained attention with greatest objectivity, and by so doing, your tendency of analyzing, weighing up, and judging will be fulfilled. You will progress through a constructive work that will enable you to be more tolerant towards your brothers. We insist on this important aspect. You are and will be judged by the same standard of measure you are using towards others. Do not forget it. It would be good, while advancing in sadhana, to remove the obstacles obstructing your way. You should not be slowed down by behaviors which are no longer consistent with your spiritual realization and the goal you wish to reach. Be vigilant. Do not let yourself get slowed down by reactions that you can avoid. Nothing is impossible to a willing aspirant who is very determined to go through with his quest. It is up to you to decide and act accordingly. Babuji Maharaj. Same day at 10 am. We are not writers of wrongs. Such is not our objective in this way. However, in order to support your elevation, we have to draw your attention to certain aspects of your personality for your good and not to make you feel guilty. Things must be made clear in this area. We only wish to help you. When you have managed to overcome some of your personality traits, you feel a glow of satisfaction. You feel lighter, more serene, and even if you may relapse, your effort bore its fruits. We have all gone through this search for perfection, and we are well placed to understand you. Man's nature is complex. Conditioned by so many acquired aspects, he must display full vigilance against it in order to progress towards the sense of wisdom he is yearning for. He would like to be perfect and worthy. He very often believes himself to be like that, and this feeling reassures him. He feels stronger in the face of adversity. The struggle he must conduct is touching. It is in that which we want to help. Our common goal here is to conduct this fight, help our brothers in their quest, support them, and overall love them. Our solicitude is great as well as our compassion. A day will come when universal harmony will prevail for the happiness of all beings, wherever they may be. Babuji Maharaj.